Disomrer Marang Montri Narendra Modi Ayurte Huisatena 7th Ana Governing Council Duprub. Noa Duprub re Crop Diversification, Urban Development and National Policy on Education rena implementation babote gapal mara huiena. Baraitena kathakana je 2019 tayong council puilo Duprub huiena. Ar noa jaha Niti Aayog Duprub huiena. Jahare ponotoren CM ar kendro shashito ponotoren governor ko celebrate ko tahekana. Noa Duprub re Union Minister Amit Shah, Nitin Gadkari, Rajnath Singh, S. Jaisankar saute Uttar Pradesh, West Bengal, Haryana, Madhya Pradesh, Assam আর ঝাড়খণ্ড ট্রেন সিএম তাকো সেটারে কথা হেকানা সানাম সিএম কো আকwa ponot utno babote katha ko dohokeda saute jahatin age ponotre utno lagi lakti mena akada ona porton babote ho nuwa dupru reko leikeda.
The meeting, the Prime Minister made some important points about India post-COVID, about the year ahead, and about his both pride in and expectations from the meeting. He noted that the way in which the centre and the states had cooperated through COVID and the decisions that had been made by Team India, which is the way he likes to characterize the centre and the states working together, had resulted in India emerging as with great respect that we had found our own path, and countries were looking to India based on its experience as some kind of a role model. He also noted the fact that 2023 was going to be the year of the G20 for India, but also a year when India was going to still be a member of the Security Council and take over the chairmanship of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. But that's for the near term, but his real challenge or request to those assembled was to raise their sights in this Amrit Kal to what India should aim to become in 2047, the 100th year of